Yes, my wonderful people, welcome to J Progress Enter. Again, my people, Jamaica, all people have a saying we say, dance a yard before you dance abroad. So sometime, you know see when something happen wrong a yard, and the same thing go happen when them go a road. And everything start from somewhere. Right now we have Chief Executive Officer of the Child Protection and Family Service Agency. We have principals. We have community members. We have all of these people are encouraging parents to check their children's school bags for contraband. Whether weapons, whether weed, whether alcohol, anything at all. Check your pitney them school bag because them a carry things go to school. Just like what happened at the Ochirias High School. A little 14-year-old boy carry a gun go to school and ending up shoot a little 12-year-old little girl. You hear me I say? She's still among the land of the living, luckily. God go with her. And you see when it start from Yaso, this is one of the end result of when them no learn from yard and follow them kind of training and turn adult. 4 men were shot and suspected reprisal attack in a Clarendon. This is when you have bad breed pitney where never get no home training from yard and turn adult and get out of hand. And me go jump in a them story we don't know. Parents urged to check children's school bag for contraband. Parents are being urged to be more vigilant in checking their children's school bags for contraband following the shooting at the Ochirias High School in St. Anne's on Monday. A 12-year-old girl was shot and wounded by a 14-year-old boy who was playing with a gun. You know, hear me I say to you know? Chief Executive Officer of the Child Protection and Family Service Agency, right, say the incident was very traumatic for the victim, who sustained a flesh wound to her thigh. You understand? So not life-threatening. They also say parents should ensure that their children and those with whom they interact are not exposed to danger. It is imperative that parents be more vigilant about checking their children's bag before they go to school to assist in preventing them from taking dangerous or inappropriate items with them. Be it weapons, whether X-rated things, material, or whether they have any form of illicit substance or anything like that. You understand? Now these things do not only put your child at risk, but can also endanger the lives of other children and teachers at the school. They warned. They also suggest that while parents may not get the chance to check their children's bag daily, they should try to do so regularly and randomly, which should help in deterring children from trying to sneak these items to school. The female student whom did at the Ochirias High has been receiving psychosocial support. The boy who carried the gun to school was held by police and remain in custody. Right. Watch you now. Not only parents checking the student bag, but also these learning institutions should have more security measures in place to prevent these things. One breach of security is that they get to the gate with whatever weapon. You should also have more than one security on site who also carry out random search of classrooms. They should be given that authority to carry out random search. So they can just walk up on any block, any classroom and search every pitney. So anything will slip through the gate can get picked up on while you're in class or anywhere on the school compound. The schools or the learning institutions should have something like that. You know, just down to parents. Because when me a little boy and me a take with my mother bad trainers, them and them something there. Me take with that and go hide in a bush before me get dressed and ready to go to school. So anything when me a take with from yard, I want to go to school. My parents, them is a person who are looking at my bag. Because my father is a man, he say, come me see in your bag. Come me check your pocket and them little thing there. So anything when me a move with sometime is a man where me move it before me even start get ready to go to school and go hide it somewhere on the road and me know me I go walk past and pick you up on the road again. So remember, checking the bag are one thing, but the youth them can go around that the part of it. Easy. Them can left all things with them big man friend. You hear me I tell you? Easy thing that. Because you have big adults who support them kind of behavior from kids. You have adults where we lock off a one ratchet knife for your little pitney. Because you can't carry go to school and say pick it up back from me later. You have adults who give them things. So you have people who uphold with these wrongdoings from kids. So it takes more than just the parents checking the bag. It takes a little bit more than that. Moving on. And you see when them pitney are unruly and get out of hand from school days, this is where it leads. 4 men shot in suspected reprisal attack in Clarendon. Right? Clarendon, Jamaica. Investigators attached to the JAMAICAN Criminal Investigation Branch are probing the shooting in Clarendon on Wednesday night. According to the police report, the men ages 23 to 52 were at a shop, right, at around 8:45 p.m. You get me? Those was them, they don't even barely get dark them time, they know in the summertime, yeah. When a white Nissan Tiida drove up, it is alleged that 2 men armed with handgun exited the vehicle and opened fire in their direction before escaping in a waiting car. The injured men were subsequently rushed to the hospital where it was revealed that one person had received gunshot wound to his upper body, while the others sustained injuries to their lower body. One of the victims is considered to be in serious condition. However, the injuries to the other men are not life-threatening, but them still pick up can. While the investigation are ongoing, the police said initial information suggests that the attack could be a reprisal for the Tuesday, February 13, 2024, dirtings of another man in the community. The police believe the attack may have been carried out by a known violence producer from the New Bowens community. You understand? So the police, them have some leads. But let me tell you this, man. Enough of the thing that we happen in Jamaica, some young little youth them just come out of school, don't have a job, them no left school with no subject, no nothing. Some of them all have them subject, have their education too, but them just a run down badness because them glorify such thing. Them a run down for choppy line, them a run down fancy car, them a run down fancy clothes, them a run down all kind of something and they don't want to work and do it. So they go into the wrong life. And you always have the adult who accept them with open arms because they want to give them firearms to go do things because they know that them young, giddy, and fool and them don't know what them are do. You understand? So parents, I know it's difficult for parents. They can try their utmost best with their kids. And when they pick in the left school and say them a big smaddy, they don't take no chat from the parents. If you're not careful, they fight off them own mother and father and not take no chat. And then I saw them end up in the street and start do things until you say police get rid of them or other bad man get rid of them. You hear me? I say, so youths are one thing me can tell you, wise up and know say there is no reward to being a bad man. There is no reward to the grimy life other than you end up 6'6" or you end up 25 to life locked up in a 4x4 or even smaller cell with fully round you with man and grill up. Remember when J Progress tell you that? One J Progress entertainment, me people. Believe no man? You not fi ask nobody nothing. And nobody not fi tell you nothing. I just one J Progress entertainment. Yeah man, everybody, we are now at 33,000 YouTube subscriber. A massive milestone. And it look like we can get the 35,000 subscriber by the end of June. Me know you can do it, you know. And me want you to do it too. Me know you can do it, and me beg you to do it, and me believe so you can do it. Remember good, 1J Progress Entertainment and no other.